In this video, I will show you exactly how to get started with Typeform, so you can begin creating beautiful and engaging forms right away. The first thing you need to do is open up your web browser and navigate directly to the official Typeform website. Once the homepage loads up, look toward the top right corner of the screen, where you will see a prominent button that says Sign Up. Go ahead and click that button to begin the registration process. Now, you will be presented with several different options to create your account, and you can choose the one that works best for your workflow. If you are looking for the fastest possible setup, I highly recommend using the one-click sign-up feature. You can simply choose to sign up using your existing Google or Microsoft account, which will automatically link your credentials and save you from having to remember yet another password. However, if you prefer a more traditional approach, you can always choose to sign up with your email address instead to create a standard password-based account from scratch. Once you have made your choice, Typeform will take you through a few helpful onboarding prompts. During this stage, you'll be asked to select your primary use case, such as whether you plan on using the platform for business purposes, education, or even just for personal projects. This step is actually very important because it allows Typeform to understand your specific needs and suggest the most relevant templates to help you hit the ground running. After you have finished with those initial questions, there is just one final step to secure your new account. You will need to verify your email address. Head over to your email inbox and look for a confirmation message from the Typeform team. Inside that email, simply click on the verification link they provided to confirm that the address is yours. As soon as you click that link, your account will be fully activated and ready to go. You can then log back in and start exploring the vast library of templates, or begin building your very first custom form from a completely blank canvas.